fuck! I didn't even get it close! God, it's like my fucking love light is always falling.
The Snapchat light's bigger and brighter anyways here. Just get it. Hey? Hey? Now it wants to magnetize?
No, and then it fucking wants to demagnetize. Is this too... Are you too thick?
I don't think it's too thick, Chris. Size doesn't matter, man. Chris, you gonna be okay?
Do I have any tinier screws? Fuck. Oh no, Christian. I ain't gonna be okay, man.
You'll be okay, man, I promise.
I want this to go in.
Buddy. Here. Okay. Kinda have to record you in bits and bits. So, like, you got not 4 minutes, like a minute.
I think this is too fat. I think this hole is not fucking thick.
Did you just call it she?
Yeah.
Chris, how do you know that's not your computer's asshole?
Whatever it is, he's getting finger fucked.
Chris.
God.
Do you want to hold the light? I can try and put the thing in for you. I may be a little less angry than you are, so it may be better.
You could try.
I would like to try, yes. If this makes it any easier on you, and I'm gonna try this real quick.
Is there any like?
While holding.
Oh, that's fucking dope. I didn't know Snapchat could do that.
Yeah. Fuck.
Let me see if there's a smaller screw.
Let me keep going if you want.
Yeah, I just want to give up at this point, but...
Nah. Giving up's not an option when an entire drive is at risk.
I mean, it probably won't fucking move, but... Here, wait, stop. I have an idea.
Yeah?
I think the screw fell. Stop.
Okay.
Just grab that screw out. Did you have it almost there?
Thought I did.
I don't hear a screw out of it.
So is this just the real deal? But it can't be. Here. Maybe one of us can try to hold the screw in while the other screws it in. If you think you can get your finger in that, you'll be okay, Big Papa. I promise. Oh no, this won't work even in practice.
Oh fuck! Wish I had like one of those magnetized.
You're breathing really heavily, dude.
Fucking kill somebody! Can I have the screwdriver, please? Okay.
Here you go.
Oh wait, wait.
Just get it.
I think this is too big, which doesn't even make any sense.
He said it's probably not gonna move. Or maybe it's that. Maybe it's the fact that it isn't aligned with the hole. Naturally, it recedes a little bit backwards. So reasonably, if you push it in, then it'll lock. You need to be able to hold that still and put that in. Oh, that's definitely it.
I think she's just too thick, eh?
Oh, I think you got it, Chris.
I think she's too thick, eh? I'm about to duct tape this bitch.
Wait, Chris.
No, it's too thick.
There's blue shit coming along the ends.
I know, no, it's because it's the stand.
Yeah, I know. I didn't know if you were scraping it off or.
Try one more time. One more time, eh? I don't know why the fuck I started saying eh like I'm Canadian.
She says super freak. She's super freak, eh?
And yeah, it's actually too thick. I think I could tell that it was too thick.
Bud. Yeah. Yeah, it's too thick.
Kenobi!
Did you just scream Kenobi?
Yes.
Where's the fucking...
Jordan had to call me. He said it was important. You know what? For later.
I think we got it.
Pull out, bitch. Pull out, bruh. Pull out like you're dead.
Bro. There. Don't actually. There. Oh.
God, that's terrifying.
That's, yeah. Oh. Oh. Let me see. Let's make sure. 100%. Let me see it.
It's a thin bitch.
That's a thin bitch. If there's one here, Jesus, take the wheel. Ooh. If there's one thing Papa knows, it's a thin bitch.
No! Fuck! Right there, right there.
Oh, I almost fell. Good job, Chris. You almost fell.
Screw it. Screw her like you're screwing your mom.
Don't worry, I'm trying.
Screw your mom.
Oh, shit.
Screw your mom.
If it's. Fuck. Okay. Oh, that fits. That definitely fits. Chris.
You hold. Hold. If I could just
fuck.
slide in that fingoosey.
The what?
The finger pussy.
Here. Magnetize. Maybe that'll work. Cause.
Caress your...
Yeah.
Okay, can you grab the flashlight?
Okay.
It didn't work.
Oh, damn. Shoddy. Is there nothing that can make this work?
Bro, it's like blue balling me.
Yo, that
No! Fuck! And
Chris, is that Computussy not putting out, dude?
bro, it ain't putting out anything. It's I have to fucking be all up in it! Balls deep! Not even my fucking SSD wants me to touch it.
I'm sorry, my dude. Did you find the screw?
Yeah.
What cost?
Fucking sanity.
Oh.
Oh god. I'm gonna lose my mind. No.
Mr. IT Man's doing an IT thing.
Ah! Fuck!
Oh. Oh.
Before you fry yourself.
It'll be fine.
It's off. There's no power.
Oh.
Sorry.
No, you're good, Chris. I'm finding this wildly entertaining. You're like licking your chops.
I'm about to go literally to Walmart and buy a fucking magnetized screwdriver.
Honestly, I'll go with you. Are we going to Walmart? You want to take a Walmart trip?
I don't know, maybe. I might want to grab more of that Nitro Pepsi pussy.
You really like that Nitro Pepsi, don't you? Does it taste any, like, different? I mean, I can notice it right now because, well, but I haven't had it since hit. So I'm sitting here questioning whether... Okay. You're being too rough with her. Chris, you're just trying to force it in. You gotta be gentle.
She doesn't slide in like she used to.
Chris, buddy. No, thank you.
All in a day's work.
Dude, you just fucking hoed that computer out, alright? You jammed it right in her, and now she wants nothing to do with you anymore.
It's just like your fucking sister.
Oh no, not my sister.
No, I meant the computer sister. I did the same thing to me.
Oh.
That's
I
fine.
see.
It's secure enough.
How's that Pepsi? How does it taste? How would you rate your experience?
Oh my... Just...
This is my favorite sitcom.
Why'd you just turn off? Stop turning on and off, you fat cunt! Why is Ashley doing that? Okay, stay off. Please.
Best way to test if a computer's off the.
Oh, God. God, you fucking cunt. God, you're so fucking tight and not in a good way.
Not in a good way.
What are you even going on right? Am I doing this right? Am I all doing it so fucking wrong? Is that how it's supposed to work? Is this the wrong You shine it towards that. Yeah, I think this is it.
Oh, sorry, man. You're good.
Fucking, I'm gonna beat a bitch so fucking bad she starts bleeding, and then you know what I'm gonna do, Christian?
What are you gonna do, Chris?
I'm gonna buy her lunch
Why?
because
Chris?
I'm going to feel bad afterwards,
Yeah.
and then I might call her a bitch and drive off and listening to Pursuit of Happiness. Yes,
You sound like a nice guy right now. Chris, you're being an incel. Quit.
why won't you go in? I need to get this in. I just want to know it powers on.
Here. I could.
This you weren't supposed to come out.
That's probably why. It was in. We told it was pretty.
You're not fucking pretty. You're. I love you.
That's 2 stacks of 4.
So, and then 2 squares. So you see how they're ovals and squares? You gotta match that up with.
Okay. Here. Buddy.
But it should go in.
Here. I can see the code. I can see the patterns in the. Okay. So. Oh. Could it be that one?
Maybe.
Okay.
Ain't no way this bitch goes like this. No, because then it would sit on top of that, right?
Yeah. So it looks like it might be that way.
It's like close having.
Yeah.
What is this?
It looks like you're coming so close.
Shine a light on this. What is? We're taking this off.
Okay.
Come off. You're gonna be a bitch like the rest of you. The rest of you fucking cunts. All you want to do is make my life more miserable.
Chris, we're like gutting your fucking computer while off of our asses. Maybe this isn't the most responsible decision on any front.
I just want this off. I will rip this motherfucker off.
Let's not, please.
Like it's my cock and it's a tooth.
Fucking, this is like the Chronicles of Narnia, man. Sorry.
Okay, so squares. Okay, so oval, 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 square, 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 oval, oval. Oval.
Square, square, oval, 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 square.
Yep, this is it.
Oh, this is it.
This is literally it, but it won't go in. It's like first time.
Oh, yeah, baby! Oh, baby! Woo!
Watch, it doesn't even turn. What is this?
Oh,
This is my razor blade.
that felt better than sex, man, and I just had that. Problem.
You're great.
You're doing great. We're making babies, man. There it is. He's on. Ooh, ooh. Mission accomplished. You suck.
No way that fixed And they're still just in the software, which is mine.
Take it out. There you go.
This over here, take a sip.
Good.
Finish it. Go to this, take out this. Pull this out. Don't pull this out. Pull it out. Check how big it is. 1 terabyte.
That's a pretty big dick.
Indeed it is, my boy, indeed it is.
Just refer to me as my boy.
I did. Yes, I did, sir.
Like, in the posh sense, like, oh, there, my lad. How you doing? You want a lady fig? Why did I fucking morph between 4 accents there? If even. Oh.
Slide the hard dussy into the kapussy. Doesn't look red. You see that?
Maybe it's, yeah, maybe that's the way. Maybe.
Oh, it isn't.
No, then why is it not fitting? Probably because you're shaking and fidgeting so much. I wonder why.
These are the ones.
Oh.
Let's slide this a little bit. Let's use this one instead.
Slide in and out my ass like you cleaning out gutters. Dick bigger than a stick of.
What did you just say to me? It has to be this. Literally, there's no other option. God, I would have took less fucking emotional damage if I just stuck my dick in the thing.
Yeah? Feel the power?
Is one of these not plugged in? So these are SATA cables. If you know what that means.
I don't.
Okay. A SATA cable is a cable that transfers power. And I don't think I plugged this bitch in. I think this entire time, since I plugged in my new power supply, I've been one fucking hard drive down, and I didn't plug in the fucking SATA cable! Can you shove the light over here, please?
Chris, I've got you, my boy, my bean. My jolly good man, you. Did you seriously have that SATA cable unplugged? The
It
thing.
is, I feel the power.
Oh, you feel the power? Chris, that must be one powerful fucking computer. Chris? Chris? Documenting. This is like documenting your victory story, dude. This is your hero arc. We could call you the Compusler. That's your hero name.
It's not what I Open up the fucking taskbar!
Woo! Pepsi Nitro. Tastes like fucking car fuel. Gas. That's the word.
I think I feel the power.
Oh, you were being serious. That's something you gotta look for?
Well, I mean, you don't really have to,
But it helps.